it sit. Bottom pusher on. Feed these heater wires through, which I had to again cut and put terminals on. Just like that. Let me pull the flap through and get it seated, and then we'll start pulling the hooks and all that. Alright, so we've got one in the middle here, which is supposed to catch that wire. And then we've got one here, one here, two in the middle here. And that needs to grab the outer hoop right there. And we have the two here in the middle. These are going to be the little shorter ones. Colt. Got it. Hold that wire in. Got it. Let's go ahead and hot green that. All right, now we can work on getting the front and sides here moved. Get the heat gun out, work this leather down. Looks good up here. This needs to be pulled back. And that needs to be pulled back. That's as good as I was gonna get. I think it looks decent. A little bit of flame exposed right there, but that is stretched tight all the way around now, so that's all I'm gonna get here. Well, let's flip it up and we'll put this pad in that I forgot last time. And we'll wrap the back up. You know what? I probably should hit that right there with some paint. But I've already assembled everything. I completely forgot about the underside of the seat base, of the frame, I mean. When we mask this off, I'll throw some paint on that, and then we'll do the pad and finish up the covers. Alright, let's try this again. So I pulled the flap for the seat base cover through, over, and kind of guesstimated right up against the edge of this main hoop for this wire, and made a V cut, made a V notch right here in the leather to put these hooks through. Now let's see if we can't get all the rust on that. Try to get at least most of the abrasive stuff off. Alright. So part of this is going to go up. And basically what you want to do is wrap it around this bar and tuck it under. then this is going to get pulled over, and then we're going to hook it on like that. Give it a good tug. Roll it over as far as possible. Nope, that's it. It is ready for us to put the motor base back on. Let's flip it up. See how it looks. Looks good. Next up, we'll put the motor base on, we'll put the wiring harness back on, and we'll start putting the controls back on. And pretty soon it'll go back in the car.